Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Guitar Hero 2 on your personal computer. First, you will need an emulator, which is software that mimics a game console. A popular choice is PCSX2, designed for PlayStation 2 games. You will also need the Guitar Hero 2 game file itself, typically an ISO. Make sure your computer has sufficient processing power and memory to run the emulator smoothly, ensuring a great gaming experience. Once PCSX2 is installed, run through the initial setup wizard. Pay close attention to configuring your graphics plugin. This ensures the game looks its best. Next, fine-tune the audio settings to avoid any annoying delays or sound glitches. Finally, map your chosen controller, whether it's a guitar or your keyboard, to the correct in-game actions. This step is crucial for accurate gameplay. Connecting your guitar controller is straightforward. Use a USB adapter to link your Guitar Hero peripheral to your personal computer. You might need to install specific drivers for your particular guitar model to ensure it's recognized. Within the emulator's input settings, calibrate the controller for precise responsiveness. Always test all 5 fret buttons and the strum bar to confirm everything works perfectly before you start shredding. With everything configured, it's time to launch the game. Navigate to the emulator's menu and load your Guitar Hero 2 ISO file. Once in the game, feel free to adjust the difficulty and any visual settings to your liking. Take some time to practice a few songs to get comfortable with the controls and timing. Now, you are ready to enjoy countless hours of Guitar Hero 2 on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.